Hi and welcome to another MyMaths walkthrough. This is task 382, the OR rule. Okay, so on this question I've got the numbers 1 to 50 and what I have to do is I have to figure out the probability of getting an odd number or a factor of 60. Now I think the note here is you can have an odd number which is a factor of 60, so you've got to make sure you understand that part. So we know that there's half of the numbers from 1 to 50 are going to be odd, so there's going to be 25 odd numbers. So there's 25 of them. And the factors of 60, which numbers go into 60 are 1 and 6, 2 and 3. They're going to 60. So there's 4 of those. However, this one's odd and this one is also odd. So we don't count these two because they're already counted in this list. So altogether, for this category, I've got 25, 26, 27, there's 27 out of the 50 numbers which fit that. Okay, if you then get your calculator, you'll then be able to do 27 divided by 50 and you get the answer. What's that going to be? 0.54, 0.54 as your probability of getting an odd number or a factor of 6. Okay, so that's the probability of getting that. So the next one, probably getting a square number or a factor of 18. So the square numbers are 1, 4, 9, that's 3 times 3, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 5 is 25, 6 times 6 is 36, 7 times 7 is 49. So they're the odd numbers less than 50. The factors of 18, so the numbers that go into 18 are 1, which is a square number, so we can cross that out, and 18 is not. 2 and 9, but 9 is a square number, so we've already counted that one. 3 and 6, they're all the factors of 18. So now we just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 out of 50, which is equal to 11 divided by 50, which is equal to 0.22. Okay. The next question, multiple of 3 or multiple of 6. Now, think about multiples of 3. They'll hit all the multiples of 6 as well. So we've got 3, 6, that's multiple of 6, 9, 12, the multiple of 6, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. We've got 33, 36, 39, 42, 45 and 48. They're all the multiples of 3, and the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. So I've already counted all those. Just count all these up. There's 10 there, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It's equals 16 out of the 50 numbers that we've got all together. So this is the probability that I get this, which is equal to 16 divided by 50 equals, I'm dropping off the camera, just slow this down a bit, 0.32. Okay, so you've got to just list out the numbers, but make sure you don't cross over. It's a thing called the not mutually exclusive. That's a technical thing. Another way to work them out is you could have worked out the probability of getting odd, getting the factor of 6's, and then looked at the probability of being an odd, which is a factor of 6, and added the first two, and then took off the probability of being in both. It's another way of doing it, but listing's easier. Right, next one. We've got to set this Venn diagram. So I've got a Venn diagram at the top there. I've got 100 students. I've got 49 students who study maths. Now I can't put the 49 in because I don't know if they study English as well. There's 83 students who study maths or English, but again they could be in both. And there's 18 study maths and English. Now and English means the 18 has to be here. Okay, so that's always the centre one is the first to fill in. Going back to the top, the studying maths is 49, and we've got 18 in the middle. So 49, I need 31 more to be the maths being 49 altogether. There's 83 who study maths or English, so I need 83 in the whole of the thing. So that's 49, so it's going to be, what's that, 4, 34, 34, 30, 60, 70, 78, 79, 83, yep, 83. and we knew that from the beginning there was 100 students altogether, and so far we've only counted 83, which means there must be 17 outside here somewhere. So I don't know, maybe it's a university and some people have studied maths, some people have studied English, and there were 17 people who bizarrely didn't study maths or English. How weird. Anyhow, right, going on to the questions. The probability of maths or English, well, we already knew maths or English was 83, so that's going to be 83 out of the 100 students. The probability of maths and English, we were told maths and English was 18, so this is going to be 18 out of 100. And the last question, the probability of only one subject, so you either study maths or you study, well, bring this back down, maths or you study English, but not the Centex, that was both, remember. So that's going to be 30, 60, 61, 65 altogether, so we've got probability of 65 out of 100. Okay, and that's the OR rule. Have fun.